Okay, so hi everyone. This is a preview video for our Kubernetes production baseline video series and content. This is just to let you know where to find the content and how we plan on updating it as we go along and as things change. So this is, let's timestamp it for September 21st, 2020. Diego, you want to give them the details in terms of how to actually find the content? So,
Yeah, for sure. So what we have here, it's a curated playlist. That so the second link there, the playlist, and then the workshop, which is all available for free. The content is either on the video, on GitHub, or throughout our documentation. This will take you from the basics of Kubernetes into something that you can actually deploy in production. So we touch base in various aspects like network configuration, keeping your secrets in a secure manner, and other aspects of it.
yeah, great. Yeah, so these links are available as of today. So again, the secure baseline workshop are actually the instructions hosted on GitHub, and then the playlist is the actual companion video series that goes along with that workshop syllabus, essentially. If anything gets updated, it'll be posted below in the descriptions as an update or as part of the intro video for that playlist itself. If you do have comments or questions or concerns, we've disabled YouTube comments for various reasons, mostly for bots and spam. So if you do have a concern, you want to update it, make a direct PR to the repository, which is the first link, or file issues in GitHub, again, using that first link there. All right, so I guess that's it. Enjoy.
Yep.
Take care.
Take care. Bye.